Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear students, welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. In this session, we see rectangular hyperbola and problems on hyperbola. What is the rectangular hyperbola and some problems on hyperbola? So, what is rectangular hyperbola? So, if in a hyperbola, the length of the transfer axis is equal to the length of the conjugate axis. Means we know equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So, length of transfer axis is 2a, length of conjugate axis is 2b. This 2 to get cancelled, a equal to b. When a equal to b means 2a is equal to 2b, then the hyperbola is said to be rectangular hyperbola. Suppose x square as it is by a square minus y square by, instead of b write a square because a and both are same in the rectangular hyperbola. This can be written as x square minus y square is equal to a square. This is the equation of the rectangular hyperbola. Okay. Then the hyperbola is called a rectangular hyperbola. Its equation is x square minus y square is equal to a square, or this can be written as y square minus x square is equal to b square. If therefore, because a is equal to b. Okay. In this case, e equal to, what is e equal to? We know that e square formula, a square plus b square dividing by a square or b square. You take any condition, either hyperbola in the form y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1, or x square by a square minus y square by b square to 1. Any one. So, a square is equal to a square as it is. Instead of b square, write a square dividing by a square. So, e square is equal to a square plus a square, 2a square by a square. A square get cancelled. E square is equal to 2 is equal to root 2. Means the rectangular hyperbola eccentricity is root 2. So, e in this case, e equal to root of a square plus a square. So, dividing by a square, both are the length of t axis is equal to length of c axis. Means a square plus a square by a square, or b square by dividing b square, 2b square by 2, b square get cancelled, root 2. Root 2 is the, here also coming root 2. Root 2 is the eccentricity of the rectangular hyperbola. So, therefore, that is the eccentricity of the rectangular hyperbola is root 2. Okay. Next. So, here the problem for the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. Find the following. First, find eccentricity, foci, vertices, directrices, length of transfer axis, length of conjugate axis, length of latus rectum and center. First, compare this equation with x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. Clearly, we can say that a square equal to 16 and b square equal to 9. So, a is equal to 4 and b equal to 3. First, find eccentricity. Number 1 is eccentricity. So, eccentricity is given by e square is equal to a square plus b square dividing by a square. In this case, x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. The eccentricity is a square plus b square dividing by a square. So, e square is equal to, what is a square? Is nothing but 16 plus b square is nothing but 9. A square is nothing but again 16. So, e square is equal to, this is 25 dividing by 16. What is e equal to? E is nothing but 5 by 4. This is the eccentricity of the hyperbola, given hyperbola. Eccentricity is over now. Now, then find foci. What is foci formula? We know that foci, C is plural form of focus. Focus formula is plus or minus AE comma 0. So, foci plus or minus A is nothing but 4, E is nothing but 5 by 4, comma 0. 4 get cancelled. The foci is plus or minus 5, comma 0. This is the foci of the hyperbola. Next, vertices. See, this is the third one is vertices formula. Vertices formula is plus or minus a comma 0. A is given here. A is nothing but plus or minus 4 comma 0. This is the vertices of the hyperbola. What is directrix? Equation of directrix or directrices. The equation of directrix is fourth one. The equation of directrix is x equal to plus or minus a by e. This is the equation of directrices. So x is equal to plus or minus a is nothing but here 4 by e is nothing but eccentricity. Eccentricity is nothing but 5 by 4. So what is equal to 5 by 4, no? Right? 5 by 4. So this 4 is take numerator. This becomes plus or minus 4 4s are 16 by 5. This is the directrices, equation of directrices, 16 by 5. Okay. Next, length of t-axis. Fifth one is length of t-axis formula. Length of t-axis means transfer of axis is, the formula is 2a. This type of hyperbola, x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. So this is equal to 2 into a is here 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 is the length of t-axis. What is the length of c-axis? Seventh one is length of c-axis. Length of c-axis formula 2b. So length of c-axis is equal to 2b, equal to 2 into b is nothing but 3. This 2 3s are 6. Length of c-axis is 6. Next, length of latus rectum. The length of latus rectum is length of LR. Length of LR is equal to 2b square by a equal to, so 2 as it is, b square is nothing but 9 dividing by a is nothing but 4. Okay, this is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The answer is 9 by 2. Length of LR is 9 by 2. So next, center. Clearly center of this hyperbola is origin, because this is the standard equation of hyperbola in the form x square by a square minus y square of b square equal to 1. The center is origin means 0 comma 0. These are the answer of the hyperbola x square by 16 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. So clearly eccentricity is 5 by 4 and foci, vertices, directrix, length of transverse axis, length of conjugate axis, length of latus rectum and center. These are the answer of the given hyperbolas. Okay. So next question. See, find the equation of hyperbola. Here given conditions, you write equation of hyperbola. In the previous problem, they are given hyperbola equations, we write different conditions, eccentricity, foci, length of t-axis, c-axis, like that. Here given, vertices given. Vertices formula we know that plus or minus a comma 0 is equal to given here, plus or minus 2 comma 0. See, vertices lies on the x-axis like this. This is the vertices. X-axis, this is y-axis. Means equation of hyperbola in the form x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. In this form means the vertices plus or minus a comma 0 is given, plus or minus 2 comma 0. Compare this to, and foci is given. Foci formula plus or minus a comma 0 is given here. This is equal to plus or minus 3 comma 0. So clearly we can say that a is equal to, compare this to, a is equal to 2 and ae is equal to 3. Compare here, plus ae is equal to 3. Now what is a equal to here? Put a equal to here. So a value is 2. 2 into e is equal to 3. What is e is equal to? 3 by 2. So we know a values, we know e values. Actually we need value of a and b. We already know a values. Find the b values by using relation eccentricity formula. We know that e square is equal to a square plus b square by a square. Once again eccentricity formula. E square is equal to, because eccentricity formula a square plus b square dividing by a square. In the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. A square is nothing but here, a is nothing but 2, a square is 4 plus, keep b square as it is. We have to find b square values, whole dividing by, what is a square? We know e values also. What is e? E is nothing but, this is 3 by 2, whole square is nothing but 9 by 4. What is a square? A square is nothing but again 4. Take 4, this 4 get cancelled here. So directly b square is equal to 4 get cancelled. Take 4 this side, b square is equal to 9 minus 4. So b square equal directly write 5. So b square equal to 5. We know that a values, we know that b square values. The equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So put the values here. X square by a is nothing but 2, a square is nothing but 4 minus y square by 5 equal to 1. This is the required equation of the hyperbola. The given condition is vertices plus or minus 2, 0 and foci is plus or minus 3, 0. Next. So for the hyperbola, here given hyperbola in second type of hyperbola means y square by 9 minus x square by 27 equal to 1. Compare this with y square by b square minus x square by a square is equal to 1. So clearly we say that b square is equal to 9 and a square is equal to 27. b equal to 3 and a is equal to root 27 is nothing but 3 root 3. Root of 27 is nothing but 3 root 3. First, one by one, you start here. First, find the eccentricity. So, eccentricity relation is given by e square is equal to a square plus b square dividing by b square. A square plus b square dividing by b square. So, e square is equal to a square is nothing but here 9 plus b square is nothing but 20. A square is nothing but 27. Okay, 9 plus 27, 27 plus 9. A square is nothing but 27 plus b square is nothing but 9 by, this is b square. What is b square here? 9. So e square is equal to 27 plus 9 is 3, 36. 36 by 9. So e is equal to 6 by 3. Is nothing but e is equal to 2. So eccentricity is 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are, okay. So e square equal to 36 by 9, e equal to 6 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, e equal to 2. Then we know that e values, then we can find easily all the problems. The second one is center. Clearly center of any hyperbola center in this form or first form always 0, 0 means origin. Center is origin 0, 0. Foci. The foci formula is, because this is a hyperbola, foci lies on y-axis, means in the form of, here is foci 0, plus or minus b. Here is 0, minus b. Here is 0, plus b. Foci formula 0, plus or minus b. So this is foci 0 plus or minus b is nothing but 3 into e is nothing but 2. So this is foci, eccentricity is 2, no? This is foci 0, plus or minus 3 twos are 6. This is the foci of the hyperbola. Vertices. The fourth one is vertices. Vertices of hyperbola is vertices. The transverse axis is on the y-axis. The vertices formula is 0, plus or minus b. 0, plus or minus b. So vertices 0, plus or minus b is nothing but again plus or minus 3. These are the vertices of the hyperbola. Next, directrix. What is the equation of directrix here? So equation of directrix in the second type. Fifth one, equation of directrix is directrix is y equal to, not x equal to, plus or minus b by e. In the first type, x equal to plus or minus a by e. Here plus or minus b by e. Y equal to plus or minus b is nothing but 3 by e is nothing but eccentricity 2. So y equal to plus or minus 3 by root 2. This is the equation of directrices. What is the length of t-axis? Length of t-axis is, transfer axis is, here is 2b. Length of t-axis is 2b in the second type. So length of t-axis equal to 2b equal to 2 into, what is b value? 3. 2 3s are 6. Next, this is over length of conjugate axis. Length of c-axis. Length of c-axis. Length of c-axis is equal to 2a equal to 2 into, what is A here? 3 root 3. 3 root 3 equal to 2 3 is a 6. 6 root 3 is the length of conjugate axis. So in last means 8th lattice rectum means length of lattice rectum. The length of LR, length of lattice rectum is equal to 2a square by b. So is equal to 2 into, what is a square here? A square is nothing but 27, correct, no? That is a square is 27. A is nothing but 3 root 3. A square is 27 here, correct? A square is 27 and b is nothing but, so b is nothing but 3, correct? Because y square of b square, b is nothing but 9. B square is 9, b is nothing but 3. Equal to 3 1s are 3 9s are. So 9 2s are 18. 18 is the length of lattice rectum. Okay, these are the answers. Okay, thank you for watching. Jai Sai Ram.